So here's how we can undo the deleting notes on your iPad. Let's talk about it. If you're new on this channel, most definitely make sure you are subscribed because you don't want to miss tutorials like this one. Well, on your iPad, you can go to your regular notes section, and if you have deleted your notes, what you have the ability to do is to make the side panel from the left side show up like this, and you'll be able to browse your notes folders. And one of them should most definitely be the one called recently deleted. And obviously, if you delete your notes, these are going to stay here for 30 days. And after that, it will be permanently deleted. So if you want to undo that action, just locate the note within the recently deleted, and you can hold down on it and you can just click on move, and you move it back to your folders where it doesn't get deleted, to your regular notes folder, right? So that's how you can undo that. Just pay attention so you don't remove it permanently, because then you will not have any way of retrieving that back. Right, so that's how it works. It's pretty simple. Obviously, if you're using different note-taking application outside of this Apple Notes, it might work slightly different, but I guess the general principle will be very similar. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to do it and achieve that on your iPad. If not, let me know what's going on. Stay tuned for more tutorials and explanations like this one, and I'll talk to you later.